VSEEBOX V6 Plus channel lineup. The VSEEBOX V6 Plus promises over 2,000 live channels worldwide with no monthly fees. Let's explore what you actually get. You'll find US networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox, plus premium movie channels like HBO, Showtime, Stars, and Cinemax. Sports fans get ESPN, NBA TV, and NFL Network included. International news is covered with BBC, CNN International, and Al Jazeera. Asian regional channels include selections from Japan, Korea, and China, making it versatile for global households. Families get kids' favorite like Cartoon Network, Disney Channel, and Nickelodeon. Lifestyle fans can enjoy Food Network, HGTV, and MTV for music and entertainment. The Heat Live app offers a 7-day playback, favorites tab, and customizable guide. The Plus model adds Live Ultra, unlocking expanded categories and pay-per-view access. Pros: it has over 2,000 channels, premium sports and movies include playback features, and a one-time purchase with no monthly fees. Cons: performance depends on internet speeds. Some channels buffer during peak hours, and regional restrictions may limit certain streams on your country. The VSEEBOX V6 Plus is a strong choice for households who want sports, premium movies, and international news without monthly fees. Just make sure you have stable internet for smooth viewing.